my god! Oh my god!
Shit.
Dude.
It just flew past my head.
Fucking them all.
What's going on, guys? I'm back again, of course, because I'm here every single day at 3:30. But today, right now, I'm outside of Manfs' house, and he's still inside. It's really early, but I woke him and Ademirs up. I was like, yo, gotta go play a Ouija board. And the day you're watching this is the day I filmed it, so I woke up really early so I can go film it and then edit and upload it for you guys. So definitely drop a like for this. I have the Ouija board in my car right now, and I have my hat on because my hair looks like poop and I don't feel like doing it, and my hat doesn't even match anything I'm wearing. So I don't want to hear any comments like, yo, you don't know how to fucking dress because I'm a fashion model. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, Manfs and Ademirs are coming out here now. We're gonna go to that insane asylum, the children's mental insane asylum that we went to in my last video. If you haven't checked it out, it'll be top right corner. But a lot of you guys are telling me in the comments like, yo, play the Ouija board there. It'll be a crazy experience. And obviously it's gonna be a crazy experience because it's a mental asylum for children. So there's obviously ghosts there, and there's obviously gonna be a result. I mean, if there's not, then I will be mind blown. I'll be like, wow, that was crazy. There's no spirits there. But we're gonna go there and we're gonna have a fun time with the Ouija board, and hopefully none of us die. If we do, then it'll make for a great video. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna hit the camera and we're gonna be there. And 3, 2, 1. We have arrived to the asylum and we are here twice. No, just kidding, guys. We're here.
Watch, if I hit fat bottle flip, we will not die today. Up, we are dead.
We die today.
Look at this crazy man. He wants something to do with us. He's waving at me, looking very weird. It's okay. He just see my accent from far away. He hear it with his mouth, with his noise in his ear.
All right, yeah, we gotta hop in this place now. You guys seen it from like my last 2 videos how we get in, so I don't have to film us getting in. I don't know where we're gonna play the Ouija board yet. We'll find out when we're in there, but yeah. It's gonna be really cool.
Very slowly.
So I'm gonna call the cops, but I don't give a fuck.
Taking over Jake's vlog. I'm not excited for this crazy shit, but we must do it because I'm good friend. I will come to a place for Jake to do video because he think there's spirits here to contact. So what we do is we ditch Ademirs because he's walking way too fast, and we go inside building.
The fuck you just say to my camera? Okay, so as we hop the fence over there, Ademirs found a different like hole to get in. That's why like he kind of like just went without us, and we didn't believe him. But he found a skull going through this path. Wait, where is it? Yo, move your hand, move your hand.
There's a crazy dead animal. I think there's ticks crawling all over my leg.
What the hell, yo? I am kind of a silly man, and we got all the way to the asylum after we parked like maybe 2 blocks away. And I forgot the Ouija board in my car, so since you guys seen my last video, I literally like broke my heels, and I really can't walk on them, like not even joking. Ademirs is gonna be a little savior, and he's gonna run back to my car and get the Ouija board. So everybody drop a like for Ademirs. Ademirs got lazy, and he brought a longboard back with him. You crazy motherfucker. We went through that way last time. Whoa. There's a staircase that way, but we're not going that way again because last time we went that way, there was birds shitting all over us, so we found a different staircase right here. Probably goes up the same way, not sure. Hopefully no one's here. Heading low. Birds. Birds, you think so? Yeah. Word, Ademirs, you go first?
It's the same noise from last.
Yeah. I have the camera, so that's why I can't go first. Because I can't fight with a camera in my hand. Anyone here?
Now we bowling.
I'm good. Okay, so we're at top level again because I forgot my flashlight, so I can't go to the bottom level where there's like darker stuff, and there's a lot of sunlight up here. So I think we're gonna like probably do it right up here somewhere. Do crazy flip out window.
I'll be like Ademirs.
All right, I feel like we should just go like up into the main thing right there. Yes.
Time to get shit on my head from stupid birds.
Guys, I'm gonna wear a hat for the rest of my life. Oh my god. If I wasn't wearing this hat right now, I'd be dead. Not even joking, I didn't get on video, but I was walking and I didn't see that thing right there. I literally smashed my head. Like, so hard to the point where I got dizzy. I'm so happy I had this hat on, or I would literally be gushing blood right now. And I'd have to go to the emergency room. That was fucking crazy.
That hat is like hard hat military, man. Save you from lots of things.
Alright, so we got the board set up on this desk right here.
Hey, can I talk to my own
Fuck no, this is my video now. How do I insert tape to film?
Trip. Alright guys, we're gonna play on this little thing because I don't want to sit on this ground. Well, like the broken glasses and shit.
And ticks, there's lots of ticks in this building.
Yeah, so many ticks. Last time we were here, we all literally like in the shower at like 27,844,642 ticks.
I mean, you guys see this fucking building right here? Like this shit is crazy! And there's lots of ticks inside. So
alright, so we're gonna play on this. And yeah, we're gonna get a fat ass session for you guys.
Yeah, Jake's convinced there's convinced there's a spirit in here. So
Obviously, it's a sane asylum. Like, how could there not be? Oh,
I guess we'll find out.
All right, let's do this shit.
I think there's just a homeless man fucking with us, but we'll see.
There's definitely homeless men that live here. Definitely, 100%. Like from last time I was here. But like, there's also definitely spirits. But no homeless men stay in their house during the day. They always just go around.
Yeah, their house? You mean
They live in a mansion. Damn.
True change. My least favorite activity, a Ouija board.
Ready to have some fun.
This way, so the viewers can see. You know what I'm saying?
This is very nice. Oh God, the piece is on board now. Jokes aside, let's get this thing started.
I keep hearing stuff, but it's definitely just like
Pigeons, bro.
Yeah.
Those pigeons are mad crazy.
All right, fingers on. You ready? Found it. All right.
Oh God.
Are there any spirits here that would like to contact us this evening?
Looks like you were right.
Jesus.
That was very obvious. Even no matter how many times we play, I still get like an adrenaline rush every time it starts moving. What is your name?
No. Noah. Okay, it's Noah.
Noah. That's a young name. It's because it's a children's asylum. It's not just a normal asylum. How old are you, Noah? I knew it. Okay. What should we ask him? He's 10 years old, so.
Yeah, don't get too crazy with the
Yeah.
questions. Damn,
Did you-
that means he died at 10 years old.
Did you belong to the asylum? Yes, clearly. Why were you here, though? Who sent you to the asylum?
Taya.
Teacher, definitely teacher. Yeah. Okay,
You hear wind?
so, yeah, that's just wind, I think. But we're chilling. So he's probably really bad in school or something. No, he had to do something crazy, right? Being in a sane asylum? I think he's just bad. Well, so did you just misbehave in school? Like, what'd you do to make her send you here?
Misbehave?
Yeah. Oh my God, there's a bug. Oh my God. Please, no. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Murder.
Fuck. What the fuck? Okay. It's a suspicion, bro. Oh my God. How do they have fucking... Alright. Dude, he's not a good spirit, clearly. He's 10. He might not be strong. He's only 10 years old, but he's... Okay. Why? Why did you murder your teacher? F you. Oh my God.
Fun. What the hell?
I thought he was gonna start cursing or something.
Okay.
Is that still a pigeon?
No, that's not a pigeon. Is there anyone there? It might be a homeless guy, bro.
I don't think I think it would.
No, it's during the day. There's definitely no homeless guys during the day.
Alright, just keep asking questions.
Dude, this kid's fucking psycho. Oh my god.
Alright, what do we ask now?
Yeah, we need.
What the fuck? Yo, is anybody here?
Someone's walking. Yo, we come in peace. Oh my god, there's a fucking homeless guy here.
Hey, is anybody here? I don't see anybody, bro. What the fuck?
All right. Is there anyone else here with you? We need to get away from this spirit, bro. Yes, dude. There's more than one. Can we talk to? Is that person? Is that spirit? Oh my god, I can't control. Can we talk to that spirit? Does that spirit wanna talk to us? He's not gonna answer now. All right, let's just say goodbye. I'm not messing
Say goodbye. Say goodbye properly. Alright, put that shit away.
Oh my god, bro.
What the fuck? Put that shit away. Hurry up, bro. I don't want to be here anymore. Don't panic. Don't panic. Yeah, if we're calm, like I feel like it'll be less of.
That one. You gotta put it away properly, bro. Oh my god, bro.
My heart's racing right now. I don't even know how to. I can't even film that. I'm not even looking at the camera. Can we just get out of here, bro? Hurry up.
I can't.
You put it upside down, dude. Let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. What the fuck? Here.
Oh my god.
Get the fuck out of here.
If there's anyone here, we mean no harm. At all.
Hello?
Just leave. Watch your head, guys.
Dude, there's so much stuff hanging.
Yo. Alright. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shit!
Dude.
It just flew past my head. Go!
Is it a fucking... Is it a person?
Go! Here. This is fucking again, bro. Go!
Yo, grab my camera too. Oh, I don't know if it's a person or a ghost. Go, just carry up.
Ow, my ass. Go. Oh, I'm not going. Which way are we going? Come on, Jake, let's go. I know you got fucked up ankles. You gotta get the fuck out of here. Which way are we going? We're going out here this way?
Oh my god, the doors are
Just
open.
go this way. Go.
Oh my god.
Grab the longboard. Let's go. Just run. Just go. I don't give a fuck about ticks anymore. Go. Go. Oh god, we're gonna be. Fuck. Go. Just keep running. Just fucking never going back there ever again. Fuck that. Here, Jake, take your camera. Never mind, he's too slow. Don't go here. Oh my god.
They didn't see that because I gave you the camera. Oh my god. You guys didn't see that, I don't think. Unless he was filming me. When I was holding the door back, I don't know why I started holding the door back. It was just like a natural instinct. For some reason I thought like an actual person was filming me. Because last time we were here, oh my god, there was a homeless person here. And I think that's what was chasing us last time. Now I'm second guessing it and it probably wasn't a homeless person last time. I don't know what's good. So anyways, you guys didn't see it. I was holding the door and then I had to jump out the window as fast as I could. And as I let go of the door, it fucking swung open. Oh my god. I can't even talk. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry I'm not a good narrator right now. I'm just gonna hit the camera. We're on the street now, we're safe. Just don't go there. I know like I influence a lot of you guys to do a lot of things. Just don't do this, please. I'll put the camera on and go, and we're gonna be back at Manfs' house. Because I can't narrate right now. As you guys can see, I can't even talk. So, okay, we're back at Manfs' house. It's been like maybe a 15-minute drive. I don't know how long it is, but we were bugging out on the ride home.
Yeah, I'm not going back there ever again. Fuck that shit.
I know that I could talk a lot about what just happened, but that's not what I want to talk about because you guys seen that. I don't want to recap everything. You guys want to hear that. What I really want to talk about is, let me take my hat off real quick. I know I have like messed up hair. Right there, I don't know if you guys can see that. That huge rust mark. Like I said, when I was walking, I smashed my head on a rusty ass like big thing. And like I hit it so hard, like I was looking down and I hit it so hard to the point where I got dizzy. And I don't really wear hats like you guys see my videos. Like I do once in a while, but I don't really wear hats. But last night I prayed to God because I know every time that I film a Ouija board video, like I'm flirting with the devil and you guys are always like, you're a bitch, yo, God's not with you, blah, blah. But he is. I pray to him all the time and I prayed to him last night just to like keep me safe and stuff because I knew I was filming Ouija board videos today and for some odd reason, something told me to put on a hat this morning. It doesn't even fit like my outfit. Like I told you guys, like when I was doing the intro, I was like, yeah, you guys are gonna make fun of me because like that hat doesn't even match my outfit. But I threw that hat on, and if I didn't have that hat on when I smashed my head on that thing, there would have been a huge gash in my head. We would have been at the emergency room, and that would be like a cool video too, but like that's not what I want like in my life. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, you're a fucking bitch, yo, God's not with you. Well, nah, you guys are fucking bitches, because God is with me, and that's all I really gotta say. Because a lot of you guys in the comments are telling me like, yo, you're flirting with the devil, you're going to hell. No, I'm not, yo. God's my homeboy, he's right by my side. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like on it. Leave in the comments like your suggestions, unless it's a stupid ass suggestion. I don't want to hear that shit, unless you're like roasting me. I don't want to hear that dumb shit. So, make sure if you're new to hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications, because every single day at 3:30, I'm going to upload. You're getting a notification on your screen that says Jake Duffin just uploaded a fucking banger. You're going to click on it and it's going to make your day 20 times better. And it's just gonna be a cool day. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Deuces.
This is more than music, I can feel it. I'm reading y'all people like Dr. Philin. And everybody, cause I just kill it. I'm the center of the stage, y'all just feelings. I'm a G, don't get it.